Welcome to the Habit Super Challenge. Are you ready to become a home hero?
Look at these two rooms. One is awesome and one is a total mess disaster. Which one do you want?
Good habits give you superpowers. Bad habits make you feel tired and grumpy. Let's play good versus bad.
Round 1. Waking up. Leo leaps out of bed ready to play. Mia hits snooze. Lazy morning.
Making your bed like a ninja makes your room look clean in 5 seconds. Don't let your bed turn into a monster.
When you wake up early, you have time for a high-five race. No rushing, no stress, total victory.
Brush those chompers. Bubbly toothpaste fights tooth bugs. Candy in the morning? Bad habit, yuck. Toothache alert.
Round 2. Fueling up. Water gives you super speed energy. Too much soda makes your tummy rumble. Bad habit.
Yum! Crunchy apples and sweet bananas make your brain super smart and fast.
Plate in the dishwasher. Good habit. Leaving dirty plates brings stink bugs to the party. Bad habit. Clean kitchen means dance party time. Keep it clean, keep it fun.
Round 3. Toy time. Mia swooshes her toys into the box. Watch out, Leo. Don't trip on the race car. Mia keeps her toys into the box. Good habit. Leo throws all his toys, making a mess. Bad habit. Yikes! A laundry mountain. Throwing clothes on the floor builds a giant, scary monster. Bad habit. Hang it up. Fold it neat. A tidy room means more space to build cool fort castles. Look at this clean palace. Teamwork makes the dream work. Time for the final round. Are you ready? Final round. Bedtime. Books take your brain on wild adventure flights. Tablet screens make your eyes tired and cranky. Cozy bedtime. Good sleep recharges your superhero batteries to 100%. When you practice good habits, you get the sweetest, most amazing superhero dreams.
And the ultimate winner is YOU. You are officially an ultimate home hero.
Which good habit will you try today? Tell us in the comments. Hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. Bye-bye!